In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Funnelish Pay. We're going to walk through the full process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll have Funnelish Pay enabled and ready to use on your checkouts. First, open your browser and go to your Funnelish dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct Funnelish account where your funnels are set up. It's a good idea to have any other relevant tabs, like your payment processor settings, already open, just in case you need to reference them later. Once you're on the dashboard, give it a moment to fully load so all the navigation options appear properly. From your dashboard, look for the main navigation menu and click on Apps. This is where all the integrations and add-ons for your Funnelish account are managed. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually at the top or on the left side of the screen, depending on your layout. Clicking Apps will open a page that lists all the available apps you can enable or configure. On the Apps page, find Funnelish Pay in the list. Next to it, you should see a toggle switch. Click that toggle to turn Funnelish Pay on. When you do this, the switch should change its state, usually with a color change, indicating that the app is now active. If it doesn't seem to switch, try refreshing the page and clicking it again, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Once the toggle is turned on, click directly on Funnelish Pay itself. This will open the app's detailed settings page. Think of this area as the control center for how Funnelish Pay will behave on your account. Here, you'll see different options and descriptions that guide you through what this payment system can do for your funnels. Inside the Funnelish Pay settings, look for the section called Using Funnelish Pay. Click on that. This section is important because it explains the remaining steps you need to complete for full activation on your checkout pages. Carefully read through the information provided there and make sure any required fields or options are properly configured according to your business needs. After you've reviewed the Using Funnelish Pay section and made any necessary changes or selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This is crucial. If you leave the page without saving, your adjustments will not be applied, and Funnelish Pay might not work correctly on your checkouts. Once your changes are saved, you're done. Funnelish Pay is now installed and activated,